Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have the Rapthor, and it is the BP005. It is a DC 12 volt and 5 volt output lithium ion battery pack. So I will show you guys what this is, and we'll kind of give it a shot. So in here we have the user guide. We have the charging apparatus for it. Show you guys this, as well as a bunch of adapters, I guess. So we have this is going to be, I guess, how it charges. And then this is the different adapters for different types of plugs that it comes with. And then we have the device right here. So check this out. This is it here, the Rapthor, and it comes with a little power there. Let's say it comes already charged. So on here we have our 12 volt right there, which is nice. And then we have the other parts here. So that is our 5 volt, actually, it looks like there. DC output 1 is DC 12 volt, and output 2 is USB 5 volt. So this one here is going to be, I guess, input and output. So we can do it this way if we're going to be charging it, and then we do it this way if we're going to be discharging it. So kind of cool. Okay, so let's see what we got here. I think I have a battery in here. Let's see if it fits this one here. I think this might be a different size. Let's see what we got. Yeah, this one here is slightly different, I think. But we'll give this a shot. Yeah, that one's not going to fit into my jacket, but it'll fit into some of my other 12 volt items that I have. So I have some like LED lights and other things like that. So it's just nice to have a little battery pack for that. This one here, it says the 12 volt, it'll do 6,500 milliamp hours, and the 5 volt is the 13,000. So that's a big one there. It'll charge your phone several times over again for almost any type of phone. It'll probably charge my whole iPad up and then some a few times. So nice little battery pack, super convenient, and it's got the little on-off switch on the top so you can kind of keep it going or not. So really handy, definitely useful to have. Oh, I guess here's going to be the different adapters and plugs and stuff so you can get things going for it. So super cool, nice to have, thumbs up for sure.